Here's a quick explanation of how you can choose who can see your design contest when you post it on Cad Crowd. So our platform offers several privacy settings for your contest visibility. Firstly, there's public contests, which are visible to regular web visitors without creating an account on Cad Crowd. The visitors can view your contest and the design entries. However, they cannot download any files that you've attached to your contest. A public contest generally has maximum participation and visibility, which results in more entries because we're able to promote the contest across various social media outlets, in our blog, and in other locations. So you'll get more design entries, however, you'll have reduced privacy to do with your contest. As far as private contests are concerned, they're only visible to registered Cad Crowd members. So designers need to create a profile on Cad Crowd to be able to participate in your design contest. Finally, there's invite-only contests where only the designers you invite can view those contests. We usually don't recommend these contests unless there's a high priority placed around confidentiality and there's a very large budget, since you need to motivate a smaller group of designers to give an equivalent level of entries to the private and public contests, which are potentially seen by 20,000 designers. So typically, invite-only contests don't usually happen, and clients usually have us do private project services instead, where we connect a designer who has signed a non-disclosure agreement and been vetted by us with the client for a private project. If you want to know how you can post an invite-only contest, feel free to click this link. It'll take you to this page and it'll walk you through the steps while you're launching a contest on Cad Crowd. If you have any other questions about confidentiality on our platform, please don't hesitate to email us and we'll get right back to you. Thank you.